So for example, what we are going to do is, I want to count female buyers and I want to count male buyers based on occupation, based on product category, and based on zone. Okay, what I can do is I can use crosstab function, which will provide me. So I can use index function, I can use column function, and based on this I can calculate count of female buyers and count of male buyers, and this is how I can get it according to the situation. But if we there are additional other parameters that we can use, because there are most of the times we want to count, like, okay, I want to count, but in this data set I have given only one column which is consisting female and male. It is not providing any count, but for this function, using this function, I can calculate. Okay, and I can use zone. Okay, on the basis of zone I want to count female, but in this data set I already I can analyze this, and I know female buyers are number of female buyers are higher than male buyers. So index is equal to occupation if I count. So in each gender, rather it's occupation, rather it's a age category, rather it's occupation, it's either a zone, or it's a state, there are count of female buyers are higher than male buyers. So it's a good thing, females are very inclined towards shopping, they are pretty much interested, so it's a good thing. I am also taking interest to buy these days. It's a good thing. So, and I can use other functions. For example, I can rename it, sort values if I want to. Let's see what I'll get. But if I'm sorting on the basis of descending, but then it's returning nothing. It's just returning an array. So that's fine. Instead of sorting, because I'm getting there is a one record positional argument by should equals to something, and on the basis of what I want to sort, it should be amount, or it should be amount. Let's see. But I'm not taking amount in this function. But okay, if I'm not taking amount, then I'm getting nothing. Okay, so it will return nothing. Okay, but let's see something else. So gender, I'm taking gender by gender. Let's see. Let's return. Okay, that's fine. So if it's product category, okay, on the basis of, because we are using product category, so on the basis of product category I can sort it in ascending nodes in a descending order. So B is coming on the top, and then D. It's pretty cool, yeah. And C, count of female buyers are most interested in clothing and apparel. Okay, it's apparel. And then it's electronic gadgets, then it's a footwear, shoes, then it's they're pretty much interested in clothing and apparel, yeah. And then they're interested in electronics and gadgets, then they're interested in food as well. No. First is clothing and then food, then electronic. And for female, they're interested in clothing, then food. Oh, people are pretty much interested in food, yeah. Of course, we are hungry.